never follow do was on me by Nipa, Gamaga, the Pemiano, Miago play at the Lamassabono, about Egbeto Adam, Maika. I don't give Egbene, but you know, I drop at the Bla at the Bla for for Adimeka, I walk down the minute and you never poly for and Jamaica and Azia, Ako Egbeto and as yet to go to Yaw. Ka me Alan Kula and Wika Marco update Coven. I mean, never Dama, Bubrava Api Maker, Avaka Pamakoika, me I toy, I drew. Where we never know we can as 7 Gomaka, I don't know, I can never come out the one, but as it comes on me to Facebook, YouTube. Katanji, remember, don't follow me. I can't get a Facebook. Never get a Facebook. I couldn't do my every battery. I follow me. The woman never get a YouTube. I can never mean I get a apology for when I'm about to make a notification. I come my body. Can't me, Alan Puller, and Yaraka Alvaro. Me, I get a gun to come, never meet you a gun to come. I get a better to come, and I can never get a better to come, and I get a curfew. FIFA, FIFA President Johnny Fatino, trending Alego, and look at Jim Lacoma, Alecola, Akokata, Kodara, Miago, and I can remember a club football, and transfer window signing up on Sunday, many of you crowd, Chelsea, all the ASEM Alego, and you from the chest back. Nila Okata Ako Daramiago. Never me a Remark Bapama, a village junior, a Plato Hall, Ali Ako Adamiago. Yon of the enemy, after the more that I me, Ako me, Ako Daramiago, and then Emma. Kabimi Abu Gamo, Miagana, when I was Jipata, Ma Agada GFA, boy, Apame, Ghana Football Association, America, no reminder to all the Premier League clubs, let Ghana, let ever feel like the defense, all the Kudojinova, I just want to present over Lances. Over April over Lances, never on them one more. Akko Gomala 2026, 2027, coming season, Akko Gomala. GFA issues statement to all the Premier League clubs in Ghana that they have it remain only today for them to find the licensing process. Lanema Olela Akon Wojita and when I will never GFA licensing board you are meet requirement to all the necessary requirements for Ken Akoba 2026, 2027 now. Meta Guma Manema will lay Jamaica, Oko issue. All the Premier League clubs of all, in the Nima will lay Yama, Kanya Premier League club, the Pankada licensing board Jua, then I get it. Never met Jua, when I will get Edward, the Nima will lay Yama, Ma up to Magada, Ashanti Kotoko, but up my probably Ashanti Masako. They have announced the signing of the return of David Obai Nyako Nema Wole Maika. Oh, Granami will announce David Obai Nyako in American Network. Asante Kumase Kotoko, Bola Akawika Ava, Asebo, Asa, brand a new partnership. Nema Wole Yama, Tamela Kawasaba, Kumase Asante Kotoko, one American announced how they appoint David Obai Nyako as the club new brand partnership manager. Nema Wole the Pokemon Warriors confirmed the appointment on their official social media channel. Welcoming Nyako back to the fold in the probably Ashanti Kumasi to the one America. No welcome. Hello, announced David Obai Nyako club member. A brand new partnership manager. Camila Gomes, David Obai Nyako, social media. Announcing a brand new and then a partnership manager now. They are going to 2026, 2027 season and we can act for our dollar, so the announced Nyako appointment on Thursday, July 31st, and then confirming his return to the role, the previous role as a communication director. Nyako the club as a communication director. Come go je ka para jo doko. Kemila to me se be ka gboba. Kemi fi ayi ko gboba manya communication director Ogaje Akwa go ka gboba about new brand and then partnership manager onye akoma social media but club a new partnership manager and then a new brand I'm very grateful to be back. See you at work. No matter what social media platform le akoma go jikala akodam le club le afuma papa manya eja crowd. The Ghana Association could receive up to 40 million back before President Johnny Infantino proposal to sell minority stake in the world governing body major competition. Then I found with Tamila Gomez Ghana Football Association in America. I think I received about 40 million dollars. What the Asina Johnny Infantino proposed I got for the project by Ajira minority stake one cup Cup Apache, I Asina and Ajira. I GF, what them the Asina proposal 40 million. $40 million. Then I can walk up project GF Kato Prego Paper Almagapo, $40 million US. I can put a project. So Infantino has written to our 201 FIFA member association and then Tamila Thomas Infantino in American Amagapo members association 211 member association never Alafa ever for the kind of the Asana Yajimeo Yabi Ajira Yabi Ajam minority stake FIFA governing body for Akbajia what governing bodies whenever you attend minority stake Akbaja Gaika Akonawa Amanesia Ako $40 million US. $40 million US. Yenya America wako ako adara projika wako jopo ako maro nana wala yenya na akwa magoji ma atu the Premier League champions and Mediama SA will play the 2026-2027 total agent CAF Champions League preliminary round matches at Kapua and then Aboso Stadium following the confirmation of African football and CAF decision to grant the venue category 2 stadium approval. Premier League clubs so Mediama FC one America FIFA FPL CAF never grant Kapua and then Aboso Stadium CAF Champions League preliminary stage. What the map will stadium. Papa, then my will Tamila Gomez Mediana, what one American Wapo, CAF Champions League preliminary stage, preliminary Russell, Wapo, Mashada, Tampa and then Aboso Stadium, the Papa Wapo, give a lot of Komagoji, Tamila Gomez Papa, Aika, La Sinica, and Mediama represent Ghana, I cover one America, Omapo, CAF Champions League, preliminary stage, Stadium, Milan Gomez, Lucian Musaway, Iowa, Stadium, and yet the break and the matches will this is now, they will watch CAF League, Mediama, one America, one Anno, Ghana, one Ghana, for Jamaica, Abli, Ghana, CAF Champions League, Akbajika, Takwa, and then Aboso, the one woman, so the landmark approval paved the way for the and then yellow to welcome Continental Football to Takwa for the very first time. I'm making a history moment for both the club and the Western regional. Tami Alsonechi Akoma, Red Tamale United replaced Paul City, Nanuma Wole, Matamila Gomez, Red Tamale, one America, Nova replaced Paul City. 2026 X1 division one league cup super cup Akbaji Nanuma Wole, Matamila Gomez, Paul City, one American. GFM, your Martin Apple Gomala, this is in the reason one, a super cup, a Martin Apple Goloma, a Taka go by get a woman, a Ratamala. Americano Jababa, never wanted place for Aquasia. I come a right to my own American Jababa, and I replace a positive war out to the Jika Apple Gomala. One super cup one number, what an apple gomele, let one number, let apple. So, a Pasi FC officially informed the Association of Age decision to pull out of their top due to circumstances that would not enable the club to make good appearances at the competition. So, in line with the competition regulation, Rep Tamale United have been selected as the replacement club after finishing as the third highest ranked place. Minima Wolele Akonwojima, Tamale United, one America. Positive the baker, what up in a hole, let the Veshuan, a super cup, and Oji, La Akomodi, and Camilla Lukma, the future. The futures when I come look my futures for this season division 1 super cup futures for one the opening day will say they will be United FC blog once with a drop they will say no matter what I will be about to cover they will be United American atrom de besela akoje kala obi evele akoje red tamale United ana godola Cape Coast ebusia eduafa FC nema wole kala match day to akoje the United aka global esobeji kala godola red tamale United kala akama akoje Cape Coast ebusia eduafa godola atrom de besela le akoje kala group A but akwaji kala nema wana ava aforete le akoje kala match day 3 Atrom DVC, I know go double right Tamale United, plus Cape Coast Abuso Driver, I go double the United, Tamale, Tamale. The GFA Association is pleased to announce KFC as Ghana official male partner of the Women's Premier League. Nenema wole nyama Tamila Goma Savia akoba GFA wanya America no partner KFC ba yenya apada nanya ovano no ba abo ponaja okala bandu nyaoji akoba KFC yenya America ana nyo nyoba nuru nyaoji komla akomoji nenema wole matawa national alobata asima ba KFC ina America apada nyo nyoba ndu nyaoji ika akpo oji la tema oji nenema wole yenya ma KFC kama KFC, I want America no partner with Women Premier League, name of Van Dunyaba Aquagia, the Aqua Dunyabo, the Aquamagoji, the Nomawale. The Black Stars head coach Marcel Konedu has praised the character of his players after the battle to a 1-1 draw with Burkina Faso in their second Group B match at the 2026 Zone Championship in Yamasipro. Cote d'Ivoire and Mawalema, Tamela Goma American Black Stars and American Avalanche Black Stars play up the one American Jabba I cannot value game against Burkina Faso. To go over until the Dana, when you make a job, Papa, the Economic Code as one enemy never know when you make I come with the Master the Blue Bay was a Patana player over attitude never was over here. Then you make them go Papa. Never to the edge here. Ma encourage none of your black people Apollo if life na don't kura yo kana baya black people onya mai kana so baji kana go to play vet ba oh dimana ke vet aga e ka mo da fa da kala mo akoma Doris beru enya mai kana to ade ba to ka ke vet to ba do ongo akoma uji kala black people that are so that you know they are go to camera for to and ma wole ma da Andra about to akwa homa abajile akwa oje so black people dey no me black people because so wa akọ ekro akọ guarantee come this time no ma wole ye ma to the ji amagara ye futu come like man anyara ka varo ko na mi afi ma atule ja first man Africa ma Africa me I don't serve akọ Digo Bronze American South Africa to na enya American da sele edomo e ka be fly ya ge ya do ya chi ya ma ga tan awo domo ya ta ada South Africa tó bá abọ́mọ́ head coach àdásílẹ̀ ẹ̀dọ́kùn ikọ̀ yíkọ́ pọ̀lọpọ̀ fi ọbẹ̀ ayé àgbẹ̀dá yẹ fún family sọ̀rọ̀ pé ikọ̀ yàrá ọ̀rẹ́ yẹ kúrò àbẹ̀yẹ jùlọ ẹ̀dìdì ikọ̀ loneliness ayé nínú ikọ̀ nílẹ̀ yẹ sọ̀rọ̀ pé yẹ view alẹ́ gbẹ̀gbẹ̀ ẹ̀yẹ difficult moment náà yẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹ máa dẹ́m àgà àná South Africa bọ́ abọ́mọ́
nyanu de kai ka jojina ba ya gare ya sra ya vio ba ta lolo nya senya mi ka nya ba do afena ya display aba america de ka na nya mi ka tere ya aka ya gare ya sra ya vio ba ba o na so ma edzi ika ya ba akpere mu ba wo ha wo di jore afa afa ma na ne ma wo la ye nya ema nya ba nya sra ma asra ji a nya ba agara ko mo ro ko ma akba ko mo ro ati ya nya america na la go ba nya ba wo ti fa fa akpa ji ba ko sai fa ko dara ji ba ya ajira the minority state what government competition for Apaji Aba Americana Asuraji Asuraji and America after your American letter countries who are after your president Sat Ali Sadia Nenema would give a bonnet FIFA Ajra minority state what governing competition for Apaji and about America after the day Ajra lesser countries you have football for Anyawa then you make Adengo let us start my word never look for a man out to the ma Adano England Mano, English FA for Apache, English FA, one America, Nova, Mokana, Johnny Infantino, American, FIFA president, America, Camol and Alabama. But you will have a Yagomasamo, never about Johnny Infantino. Yeah, the Kanya American make that decision. Mapona, you open from a craft to make that decision. That year, about Americana, never resign, never resign, to feel like Abaleka Lupuma, Johnny Infantino, not I resign, Donald Asla, John and wala bromla asama wote ta England FA yana American la brother Johnny Infantino na afle edon na afle edon ebe kala nubuma na afle edon na ma wala ye nya ma nyaba no kola ma afle disreka ma ano Chelsea for after Chelsea for like family go ma so Chelsea so one American no ba for dimana pretension na de papa la apa wote England go ma so Chelsea are able play Jagrapher Apaji, Akoba, Overpass next 2 years, he cannot go now. Akoba, never my uncle, Dilemania, Akoba, Chelsea, last season, over management, one American, English, after woman, I tell you, Bagara at Baloma, Akoba, Roman Abramovich for Ataji, Akoba, over Dilano, Atamoji, Yamanaika, Majabewa, Dilmo, Ayata, I tell you, you matter one of the bike and one brother, you, and I will get an after over out, and you are from Roman Abramovich, one American, woman, the Gajabella, Atamoji, Tano German, you, I like after German, out, they can just imagine Atamoji, my other can attach you for a crowd, Atamoji, Can woman, Akoba, 6 points deduction, I didn't make a other one just like I got to the body play of Yola and Balamala, but English out there for Apaja over and Ocha at the Aleka, what time can you wake up? Brother, I will need a government. I can you or better Emma, your father out, but what a play of your one American Ovaja at the Aleka. It's this point deduction over our your mother at this point.
Yako agara ochi akala transfer bana kwa agbaji transfer bana awa doneba oba 2027 na year transfer bana awa totally ka wajama wa wanyabenta after months of speculation and endless debate the verdict is in and then it's huge moment for the club no BSR branches, no point deduction, no immediate transfer ban. So the registration retreat now is suspended until 2027. And then so I got 10 million euro, 10 million euros for fine or call that just about wajiba wakana afia the about eka o ma kan akpo gumala amaba plekle egajra akpajiwa le 2027 na one numa de gajua eka ma bana awodo na ma wole akama woji enyama ka 10 million euros eka mika o fine Chelsea la akama woji but Chelsea wa akana afia na ma wole yenya ema kami ava amaba plekle egajra akpaji akwamila go Bruno Gomes has asked Newcastle United to delay his trip to La Manga to join up with the squad as they choose to get this Arsenal deal done. And I come no point Arsenal to America no labor so Newcastle United 90 million euros. I got the apology. Now Newcastle United go for a guy over to our.
The Portuguese club in advance of after agreed personal terms with the 20-year-old Brazilians. So a deal was is being discussed with Porto set to bid Benfica to his signature. Susa in America, never awards or a Bajinawa, Agent FC Porto, Le Pama Wajinama, Emma, Ma Aturaja, Barcelona are prepared to increase their offer for Julian Alvarez. Arsenal's interest and the loss of an alternative attacking target have been pushed the Catalan club to add minimum Ulenima. So, Barcelona to one of the 150 million. A deal not prepared Atletico Madrid. This time they want to work, but I don't know. Real Madrid to one American 150 million for the Atletico Madrid.
This time they Atletico Madrid to Hawaga to Barcelona to 150 million Agoba. Then my will never Gamadale via me after Can Leon Goretzka has offered himself to Barcelona as a free agent. Then my Leon Goretzka in America, no Corolla Barcelona, Toba, our Ayala, free. Gary Kamal and we are Gako, Aluano, Bayern Munich, a free agent. Can never only read ya. I don't have a good album and my will I meant for a As the film America, Frankie Tijona, a injury in American Tumanawa, has a flicker, while I know Reggie Banka, Leon Goretzka, Abu Gama, never and Nova Solegia, Alecoya, I got that Nema will never no come out to the edge here, Gama, and you can never Alam, but Tamakula, Abiame, now my Agarena, Mepajika, Aleka, or Naola, me, Ako Adaramiako, Ma Academy, Goma. Ada sila exam aloma global abiyeme na ala goma savia mina goma savia Michael Olise, any American Lucia, no one back. I joined Real Madrid. I can be like Bayern Munich top. I'm going to go like Bayern Munich. Deal Amela EG get the IEG. Sorry, Real Madrid. Deal Amela EG get the IEG. Canova the Abu. I got Michael Olise and Amela Dugal over gradually over. Then my Ole Yenama. Michael Olise, no sir. Then my uncle a red reporter about to be a Giganama. Macallo Modric, never no power supply of a system of Alabama. American Novada, Bank Adajiba, Kayana, American Atika, Africa, the Akamodi, Tamila Gomasavia, Macallo Modric, after 2.5 years, and American Tropa, Sobaji, the Kava, Green Light, Adam Alva Sobaji, the Akamodita, Macallo Modric are clear to return to football and is immediately available for Chelsea again. The winner is expected to join the Blue squad in Hong Kong before the preseason tour after the doping allegation that sidelined him. Then my will matter if like Michael Modric and American Tramasobaji, Chelsea Babu Wamika, Akoro Rebecca, would Wano. Après le mettre pour les communs, quand vous flyez, encore so heavy, ça c'est le cas, le alpha, quand il y a un autre par le fly, mais madame join me hareka wa gada miamba yambala de sarajina na atu gada miaji Facebook we are follow me ko wana ado go ne make YouTube mila YouTube Instagram mila Instagram ka le multi channel haji ata yono biara be nia awo wana ika waje if you touch that if you wana aina ami tutu ma do enye ata yono biara be me awo egbeto waje if you touch that okay ma agbuga pele ko ma gada Ophelia, wisdom. Is it divine? Okay, wisdom. Have you ready? Like I am my way. Like I look at the bow.
Kaka yung ko saga tu buat ya aku alik lang
Okay.
Tapi tu benar yung kata ni punya pom la penibati aturan tu.
Okay. Me atureji pata. Me agada me no Ghana to come. Akobe Black Stars. Wonya ma ekono le ya masiku ko di fatu ko di fala. Ike ole guma kom this year wafo zombie akpaji. Hello, follow man.
Follow papa.
Okay.
Ali no basi kubudu banto no Ghana Starlet Club Nigeria.
Okay.
Ko Nigeria na nimi ka belen ka choi na ba yo Ghana ko ji ba ko Burkina Faso ko ko tanda swela. Ma make Ghana ba for record. Ta after the game o nyako coach kana nya maso ko ni ba di ko ba record any ka affect you the game mama after the record na your formation ke ko game ami na your 43 la abasu 351 anya ni ka da funi the game mama kaka yo mo pombe yo to boba one na ma after the record I go take great chances kaka if you only utilize chances that you mo pombe against a Tugula, your dinner Bujiba, your qualify. Na the AFCON under 20 to Ejibaga. Don't Kujiba AFCON Ejibagan under 20 to Ghana. Now call writing Husana, but Yarusi. Danos Bamima de qualify in a tournament like a Miominio Husna. Ganyan Ajaba, Mia, I want to Sissy, Mia, I think. Who's game and I'm a game I follow by alone tournament I follow. Aduku Kuba Ghana Starlet under 20 Keminya Chan the days of the day I over time Kaka Kobona you can see by the improvement for my Mikbona Black Stars players who the even Miku under 20 World Cup the Brazil ta akoba kakaya alma egbe ima Ghana mima tinga Burkina Faso haji la anda joji ba bajwa enyengi ga won blani na akoba miabo football especially the juvenile side akoba kula to come to Ghana ni o community wona cha ni o ke de you how play aganga mo wa fi de promote over the Black Stars mala mima ga confila you ba Nigeria about Dumiaji, Yaba no struggling, even Togo and Manyaba like qualify. But give them a tournament are following Tokomia do Baraba against Togo, or I think our Decamia qualify.
Okay. Mata no go. Never va and Black Stars for Apaja, Balek this time around, like Black Stars. Lena 1 minute go. No Capabenia. Nunca probele gbele under 20 pa akpaja Black Stars pa akpaja fun mo kala nunu
you ma provide who juvenile side na coach under 15 under 17 I feel over here under 20 ala ni mo 1 million I get me a select player do to nya get duvio make a player do la ke nya ko office ko mi no na ke player yo ke le nya ko team o make no so ba we yo the tournament ala wo a team ganga boga ba we contract na va ne nya okay e ke nya boga chu mala yenye ni ko mi mal da ko ba ale ko chama over select na a player yo ka back the under 17, under 15 back pagina
Okay.
mean omega woman. Eka da chama avi na kwa under 20 la lebo na kwa under 15 o promote kwa under 17 o na kwa under 17 afi o promote kwa under 20 na kwa under 20 kwa na kwa under 23 ka ide Ghana Blasters cover that kind of telepathy, that kind of chemistry la I am not the field unya una
they know the terrain already.
yeah kakaya fifia magani na mo fia player ya nya player nye team for mo le ta na wiela no subo wo ja gbagba bi alo light aclarity ko contract la ga va na ni yenye ni o ko mi le fia yi wo be mi ga player dudu to pom
Okay.
mi ga telepathy ma pon lo mu ala ba player wo ko ba fo chu de ko ba ko fi ko shira de ka wo chu ni ko yi de tournament da ko ga ba ako player wo nya wo no ba fo la no tournament abanya ga ko mo ta ma ko ba ma yenye ni ka fere na nyaba na 20
Okay, akpe biaba no kwala da potro benyi ba ti ko ya mara jika wona nya benyi ba sport le go do le kwale ko be ka america le be kwere emunya ekwenye divine egbe man ese ka mi atule jis re ka akpe le kosre ma enya de kai kan le social media le problem ale be ya nya be FIFA president enga mai ka be ya ajira state minority state ne bo va what governing compensation ba ya ajira a minority state ike ga nige be any member association ike da asile be ye ajebe wa ajira state ka akwa be 20 million euros enya ga ike wa ko 20 million US dollars enya ga ike wa ko akwa de ko to kuma ike fifla FA well Ghana enya hale akwa be ga nige be Ghana football association enya ike no da asile FIFA jibe ele be wa ajira a minority state ka akwa be 20 million euros enya ga ike ava be ko to kuma ko never learn color when I am with it. Because I think Johnny Infantino released statement about UEFA or how you can you have boycott all the FIFA competitions, so both female and then male competitions like our boycott Okada. You can 50 million Africa to Africa to go there when you make no support. Bebo FIFA I think Nigeria stake. Like body like the ball na FIFA do I ajira minority stake alo na maintain ale call.
Funyo ma global Giant Infantino play FIFA ko nya etadu nya ka ala ba football ba football to we won.
Yes.
Tana manya ba ko football da shi na amayoka especially business people.
Yes.
They ko manya football amu ye na bono ran football na manya ho football ko ko ite ko Ubana ubakari umachine ba beauty of the game ko jaba fans una kola umana popo ala ba even this World Cup even Grammy ko ni o ka ba jola World Cup nyawo kede amu ko record move record president yoba record no de the player player o jebo ko pleto amaduba wo tournament ujiri na Argentina pleto ta usuba ni o kata over eji afi after the World Cup on ka ba do ba yoba yo jira stake the World Cup akpajira ma anya ni ka adafu na anya ba manaka yima magleba ba football na manya na ko business ala ba football time dola adagam ga ayi domani agbo magbo ke kana po profit alo na po gachi abraham ala bana se ko magbo football ana ma ala ba se ko magbo na ma ola fi na data tala na jona na mahala ko o ga ke ya fi ani mi ba ko ga ko ren ko na football ala agba ga the beauty of the game agba na buga ala ba even world cup ya ko ira ko hydration break yo ba ira akoba player which come with more because business people who sponsor the tournaments that are work over advert.
I announced after the hydration break, the hydration break all the TV, all the media stations showing the game like come hide the break.
Yeah, advert. The beauty coaches do would be better for the and now you lose game team momentum high girls work send kuba hydration break ba kwa ba team apa temporary ava down da magloba no zuba FIFA UEFA o yo don fi aba yo ma da shire ju da ma do anye mi obodi joba CAF play iba amagapo yo Kenya Africa to ha mi ho nya pere UEFA ala ba no zuba this confederation alo this continent on of okay boycott ni ala uka anya a big sound yeah ala ba Africa de la mi have 54 countries nemi ga pere UEFA ke wo ha na va the big me all of football na va big names all of football na your Spain na your Portugal na your England
all the
Belgium
BS,
kata na France
Germany
kata wala and UEFA that knows ba amama wote dole ligam alo de mi mala afi mia Africa to ha mi pero mala ke an send signal dana UEFA Gianni Infantino play FIFA ba no ni aka yuba yo wala a moment that shire jo magbo na ba studio of yama post statement FIFA want over operating officer the camp FIFA adi global FIFA alo Gianni Infantino able you ni ka wodo blone you be ya wala many nwa ya fa that ya able you support it ba ka ni ka you fa kola ma blone you be ye be achira sticker kaka anya ko blone you a tu fu ne nya ka blone vale da ya ba mare kala ya ma ba da shire ni a jachira ju ba aba anya bad anya
new yeah it's a bad like anya nui kan ni balbala
yeah bad idea ba yo ba chira the stake na World Cup party even FIFA over advisor the kan ni ada nyama bro I think UK to prime minister kra edi blonda ya wala ala join Infantino na arisa ala ni o mo fale la football uma kona ni ka biang ne nyaba akpale ko o World Cup ya una ba advert play to ba yi una investors over sponsored tournament awe ba over you go target you can you plan by you achieve which is the profit you go level you akponye 11 million la then target you can you set after the World Cup la you over 13 billion US dollars no you can include more investors or private investors and if ni kama research kama alumi kanu bonye bananya ba kama bara Gianni Infantino nyame ka paganto iba private account me ta akoba ni kata wala interested in ya mahara akoba Donald Trump ha ba influence element ala ba amayo ka obono stick ala akoba onya Donald Trump family members onya amayo ka yeah ujibi atra ni ana ta akoba influence lama ta akoba this work up kaka tunala akoba Donald Trump influence la ala Gianni Infantino ji alo Gianni Infantino ba wo ido ku aba le Donald Trump ta nya aba America nya ma da shiro ala ba na mi ko football ko the business cover business won too much ko the game you can focus the develop mi la ba the beauty of the game la ma ga ba business alo partners mo what in avafia ava global your way edega mi amari over share support with me amatala you give a country in every
yeah
and you can't block it what with the gam
already last speculation so like a champ
yeah
but
tournament that you give a country in every tournament I will find la sure I'm with the gam mo nyare kama la sure but the beauty of the game ta nyaba America
okay miabanu kola le enyamo ma akwa be fifla efi our mele gomese the Asian Football Federation has rejected FIFA's plans to sell stake in the World Cup. The Asian Football Federation has joined UEFA and CONCACAF in opposing FIFA President Gianni Infantino's proposal to sell stakes in the World Cup to a private investor.
I know super Asia how we can join UEFA ke ele be kafa wɔ team ajoin UEFA kple Asia fia kpakple CONCACAF zi ɖeka kɔa wo katã wodi agba ɖeka me kɔ la FIFA nya be no ye ɖeka eva tsi dome yemegate nane kɔ o elabena nyi mɔwo katã wodo le me la ke ame ke gagbɔna wɔ gaba ke ta anye dzidzɔ be Patrice Motsepe kple yiƒe amewo le CAF no edzagbagba yi ke wɔwɔ dɔ tso ŋu yi ke wa aŋlɔ gbalẽ tsa va le ke ame susɔewo.
Alright, okay. Me and to the G pata. Me I get a clan football but akpaji. So far so good. Sunny so you make a G giti. So far le Sunny yo kata le G ne e kai na ko ke na surprise o agere the car environment na me cha kwa.
Enya aba maje go machu Manchester City ba akpaji.
Okay.
Ale ke uvat bela market amu ya club so kata ke camera market amu ko va gau yon de players so na ko ale ke Manchester City over play Elliot Anderson to Bournemouth ga na ko ga ko play de fumala ma global no manya ko wono na ma ko ala ba Bournemouth pra wo like na nwa wo every transfer window ojibe na your play market like wa adaga players uchi manya ba jama global Manchester City do ma gojidi wo akwasha mira fi bla do chiu fi like ma global na ru ma you have man fi aba ni ku fi ni ara be fi la rodu dia ma be ye jojo ta wo mo fu da global la ma global fi wo la like le mo fu ma paji ta na ru ma be de fu ma hala by this time one or lacking and one or tamopu agboboga players do much about Morocco be VDG kala Liuba akpaje kanena ayo no nye ojepo na devima World Cup iko ya people people na do marochu 19 years of age tano super with the bike with the fit into Manchester City go system America with the the football aba like road bana ka adewoji and Manchester City and what man I go Chelsea back by Chelsea this is now who got so far so good this season alone who play 300 million US euros. Yes, we will play the market and we'll sign Morgan Rogers, we'll sign Giovanni, we'll sign Palestra, FIFA like how got player Chichiro, you Majima, Danny Wahlberg, Henderson, player the guy can Argentina. Damia, me more by Chelsea, and you put that piano in your book, play out who got that corner market America, Sisinaga, me play a guy who put the club America, results poker, and a last season, since he got on Bolivar or Chelsea, I cover every season. I will play this whole plan. Kaka,
the record.
Yes, Kaka, the result in my papa. Yes, the result in my papa. Sabi Alonso, this time they are thinking changing what in another Chelsea. This is now with the players you problem what in your performer. What in Chelsea this is in Europe football. They will only be playing domestic leagues. Me go more thing at least no maga for English Premier League on or top form. Next is na work Champions League back patch. Na anya good record Sabi Alonso now all about America knows but mate for league America mate bling good. Sabi Alonso ma jabako. Ta ne wo jababa. Anyi kama kwa nyaba na usuba Chelsea. Zambia Alonso ba fi like no usuba ekwa Zambia ekwa you know but for Liverpool now I have control over the players I have control over the players you can players you go off now when you young players so what thing actually you bobe woni alo the way now feel my daughter control this ball that award on it wote ni ko di bi achieve la ba for Liverpool so that they achieve kaga yo ba Real Madrid la ko players so kala fumala ibu are mo den go kana players ma wonya senior players ta ma de fune ta manya me ke manage players man management mala so yeah we ba mati so Real Madrid that Chelsea FIFA I know so ba players yo kalama o ha manya senior players o na mo players yo kana yo bonya senior player kan Reece James
Fernandez,
yes,
Enzo Fernandez,
one hammer Enzo
Obama, they are not all that. Like never player you gonna count them like Chelsea resumes.
Those who we can have control of the squad, you got Abaliku with a ban for Leverkusen. Makajiba thing achieve none with Chelsea Football Club.
Okay, akoya couple aloma bi oya afina IG. Remember Eva Xabi Alonso kwa akpaja. Akobe this time around la all the previous coaches you couldn't know Chelsea now. When you don't have that full like freedom, you can what demand player but player you can here be about a game now. Player you here be fit in the system. Akobe Xabi Alonso la over net that full opportunity make a player you can eyanto di alo eyanto no eyata fe over net one pokoma in of us who can manage and clap every manager and all the players you can sign more la bila gomes fe benka when Xabi Alonso be approval be approve nya fi play the nya problem le ale ka on net that freedom at the mass of Chelsea
you my global senior players do problem company kananya Danny Warburg, he have a global money or achieve Nana Champions League player. Kaka is a senior player. Henderson is a senior player that achieves a lot with Liverpool. Danos, but I'm a moment 5 who go call Ego cover team America, we can collaborate with Xabi Alonso with James Lang. You can be the couple but in our comes up. Apart from those players who players who Catalonia. Young players
who achieve when it comes to football.
Abaleke Sabi do achieve with Real Madrid and Liverpool. Tano Zuba,
Bayern Munich.
Tano Zuba player ya wote Sabi Bagban. Eka ipa tatisi ku ko bonaba Chelsea. Wote sa gomania. Makajiba nika ujibi achieve atenya achieve. Gakana Zuba player umate segbeni wodu players, small players don't want to know Nova big teams, mama, but Chelsea play top ola. Upona ulukiba Yodo da uma sana coaches ko but ana mama te ba hijiola makajiba the management I only $10 makajiba sabia thing succeed ala bana kongi ko work club for Leverkusen the guy is a good coach.
Okay. Name me Manchester United. Me get transfer go akpaji. Name me Manchester United this time around la the mere body are not bringing in for the big names. Akwabe play I also more la I mean they are average player the likes of Andy Santos from Chelsea and then what do we call it?
Euro talisman.
Euro talisman. Yeah, exactly.
Dalo.
Yeah. They are not all that big players. They are all average. Excuse me to say, they are all average players. Look at the Michael Carrick. You have all the players, all those small boys who play. I don't Manchester United.
Yeah, Michael Carrick susu ike makpobo ko ina dey season akpobo players who go no ni afi o dey ba hot team ala wo ku mo o team manage kaka figure club or fans who play Manchester United o mo be yon at the end of the season I dey cover the next season na o Champions League program that akpobo no so player mo e take achieve ma kama nya ba ya ga ko big name are ko be ke watinga ba ako maybe Abaleke or call this
disorganized
squad. The edgy players you can maybe they are
ready to work. They are ready to work with you.
They are ready to fight for the badge. That makajiba now yata wo maba ko big name de kaba yago player ganga ka cover team. And about Michael Carrick, he has top coach the Konya, Jose Mourinho, Carlo Ancelotti, Pep Guardiola. He is coming into the system. That was back of big name, Champions League winner, maybe who achieve the time you Konya footballer. I think about the squad. The edgy squad, what have full control. next season la otinya club o atinya club ne player kota bono jukuna kra awo ke player moto bijimole ko akɔbi tima yama papa and players yo kali kuku na go mwemo obimenu play to katala I have trust in them but they can do the work tala makara kipa niya yenaba this market la maba big names or the kajini aba disorganized squad.
Okay, many of Manchester United players, the players they have on board, they can never be viable but Mayfield over the years la akobe many of family feel pajala edena funu wale gbegbe ike Casemiro jo they don't have any replacement ike me agbego of player ike benka never know Casemiro tempo is only this guy Andre Santos ike overcome that etepe and then Kubmeno Manuel Ugarte Bruno Fernandes le player mo akpadre de bube Man United agagale transfer market ike abadi established DM ike abakwadale Casemiro tepa never make a go honey they know be Manchester United what them agade season with this crop of players now let them 2 minutes kwa.
Okay, now for Manchester United even DM proper DM like Casemiro a proper board system and movie feel like that knows where Ojibi Ayaba established player like yada wono Real Madrid we kama vinga ni machi afi Real Madrid play and tournament bi atole Real Madrid afi masese fi aba Real Madrid di wo jijimba na o play road to Manchester City la kedu man ina mare ko 50 million plus 7 million ko bela la dinara shira kama vinga yada mo pogba wo give up the Andre Santos ko bi wo tinya aba ko akotobi kanenya Casemiro tepa gaka jajanya ba atin awodo aba Casemiro bodo ta season aro je ko man yakpona na la eka opaba no akotobi atin awodo aba Casemiro no mo wodo aba yola afu da space 30 eka ba akoba kombinu is a player is a young player ya agba
very energetic
la team da rose go dey blend ya with Andre Santos plus Bruno Fernandes all like man they will have a balance midfield walk on going into the next season.
Okay mano mon ko never no pola emanye divine kwa egbene se ke kwere munya ben kame ko egbe to ko de fetu gato na mana mon ko na dugbona amede kakwa amede ka efe kumia ko na ko
Madubana me ukatana dumila alo pomila nyaba tibile etra toma mi domire won la afia ke yakini yenya america na komba ya ma do beto kini kapelo don fabio kapelo amado bena sports loving fans ukata ke nala play going.
Okay akwe biaba no kwala ka tamade mi akọ na akọ kutuka ma ka samu ngoko ya do gbere biaba no kwala kata no we no mi ebo egbe to ha eje fetu digato biaba e komile Facebook o YouTube o e ke na e komile multi channel ji ha ye do agbe fini mi ke akpada da enye no ke mi economy ke agboga lo ni be a sponsor mi ya ke wona waga to the eji aro waga adami wo e ke na komile la I think ava sponsor me ala agbo elevu alebebe no sane ka o menela o gele mi ajiko yo ha mi ado group asiba mi sponsor ma o pe mi ka o menela ke be na kwa akodo do be ke o jebe na kwa akodo ka fifla efia gamate be ma atuleji ma atule ezeji america ma ina ezado no ka mi amaye ko nko nesa nko ina asetu godo ya eduji ka me kene pere munya divine enya me kene no gonya fi egbeto de gato ya kini me ko bedodo na me ko you know play no kata all the Chelsea families but don't go down talk and then ma will any ma ka no palo ya me ko wona akọ chule ni afi da ikene bona ma this time mi aga no nyago plus sports ko wona nke ka na jeje no bye.